Hi guys, I'm Rap23. I'm playing Minecraft version 1.0.8. So let's play. So this is my prison.
That's not terrible.
This is my prison. So it's not finished. So for now, I'm making a tutorial how to make a redstone door. So first, you'll need sticky piston, redstone torch, redstone, glass, and those you want, like cobblestone or quartz. So first, dig a 2x3 with 2 blocks deep. So put some redstone, and in the middle of by 3 dig 2 blocks, 2, then 1 block there. Copy the other side, put some redstone there, and put some redstone there, put some torch, then put some block of whatever you want. Oh, I forgot the pressure plate. That.
Yak, ano bang buhat yan?
That.
Barney,
Then
Bilis!
put the sticky piston there, and there,
Mag-aapuray dito ah.
and there.
Hindi ba nakikita yan?
There,
Sa,
the glass. Put the pressure plate, and boom, it worked. It worked. So let's go to my prison. Okay. This is unfinished. So this is the courtyard. Okay. And I'm giving you the new update of Minecraft 1.0.8. This is the magic gathering, and original music pack. Okay guys,